Have you performed your aloe audit yet this year? Well, then it's time you did. Yes, aloe is one of the best plants you can be growing at the house because it's good for so many things. The first thing is they're always releasing oxygen, even at night, so it's a great plant to have in your bedroom. It's also a great plant that you can eat because it helps to grab all the toxins in your body and flush them out, which is really good. We have a lot of toxins in our body. And it's one of those great plants for anytime you have a cut or an abrasion to take some of the juice from it and treat it like an ointment. Put it right on your cut and it helps to heal faster. So it's a wonderful plant to have. But if your aloe is just kind of sitting there and it doesn't look any different throughout the seasons of the year, then it's not thriving. It's not living its best life. The way you can tell if your aloe is really thriving is if it produces flowers at least once a year. If you've never seen that, look at this aloe here. This is an aloe flower. So if your aloe isn't so thriving and happy that it's producing flowers at least once a year, then it's time that you change something up for your aloe. Perhaps adding more sunlight or more water or less water. You got to figure out your plant. I can't answer it for you. But a happy aloe at least once a year produces flowers. So perform an aloe audit today, or start growing aloe today at home if you aren't already. I'm the Green Tip Guy, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.